Okay, let's make this chicken cordon blue skillet. Real easy to make, perfect for a weeknight, and it's damn near a one-pot dish. Okay, so I've got about a pound of chicken here, and I cut it up into bite-sized pieces. In my world, that's about a half-inch pieces. But unlike normal chicken, I didn't season it with salt and pepper. I decided to go with pepper and Lowry seasoning salt for this particular recipe. You know, just a normal amount, good dusting. And then you want to cook this until it's done. You know when it's done. I hate giving cooking times because all it takes is for you to be in Colorado and my cooking times are fucked. But cook it till it's done. About 5 minutes or so, general rule. And we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, the chicken is done. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Now, you want to add about a half a cup of ham that's been cubed. You can buy it pre-cubed in any grocery store. And you want to give this a good stir and let it cook for at least a minute. Okay, unfortunately I forgot to hit record to show you guys this step, but I added a 10-ounce can of cream of chicken soup and about 1/4 of a cup of water along with a tablespoon of butter. And it got all melty and happy and connected with each other. And then you want to let this go for, again, about another minute or so. Like I said, once the chicken's done, this dish really starts to come together really fucking quick. Now, last but not least, it's time to add our final ingredient to this, and that is a half a cup of shredded Swiss cheese. And then you just want to stir that around and keep stirring till the cheese is melted. And then you want to remove this from the heat. And by the way, at some point you should have cooked about 8 ounces of medium egg noodles too. So see you in the final step. Alrighty, we've removed it from the heat and time to add the egg noodles. And that's pretty much it. Then you just want to kind of carefully stir this around. I maybe used too small of a pan for this, but it worked. And just want to stir everything around till everything's incorporated and mixed together. And that's it. Chicken Cordon Blue Skillet. Done.